Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's fun video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw the Chimpanzini Bananini in a surprise fold. So I hope you follow along and enjoy this video today.
Now to start off with our Chimpanzini surprise fold, let's begin by folding our paper. I'm going to line up the corners of my paper and give it a nice fold right down the middle. Next, I'm going to line up my corners one more time, giving it another nice fold. Now when I open this up, I have these nice little guidelines that show me where I want to keep the inside of my drawing. And I like to turn my paper this way so I can open it up for the fun surprise. Now to start off with this, I'm going to begin with the kind of shape of the face. So I'm going to start by drawing a little line that's just going to kind of curve around and then up here. Then I'll make a little line that comes out on each side. I'm going to curve a line that's going to come up and down. And I'll do that same thing, kind of curve this up and then down. Next, I'm going to bring this line down. We'll kind of come over and then back up. I'll make a little circle inside for each eye, and I'll color in most of it, leaving just a little bit white. Next, I'm going to make two little ovals that I color in for the nose. Then I'll curve it around and then bring it down. I'll make two little lines above it for the nose. I'll put a little line underneath each eye. And then right down here, I'm going to make a little sad face for the mouth with a little line underneath it. Then I'll make a little line that comes down. Now, starting here, I'm going to make some little points. I'm just going to kind of curve this down. I'll do that same thing, just some little points. And we'll do that same thing down here for a chin. I'm going to curve a line around on each side. And we'll do a little kind of hook shape on top. Next, I'm going to make some kind of like curvy, pointy lines around for the top of the head. Then I'm going to make a line that comes down and a line that comes down. Now we're going to make it look like he's coming out of a banana. So I'm going to draw a line that's just going to come down here for a peel. And we're just going to curve it right along the top of the fold here. And I'm going to make another one that's just going to kind of come down. And this one's going to kind of curve up like this. Then we're just going to kind of bring this down. I'll make one here that's going to kind of come down and then curve around. Then I'm going to bring this down to here. And we'll kind of curve up and down. We'll make a little rectangle at the end. I will make another little bump here. I'm going to curve a line here, curve a line here, one here, and I'll leave it like that. Then I'll make a little line that comes down and another one over here. Now our next step is to open this up and draw the inside. Now to start off with this, let's begin by bringing this line down and bringing this line down. Next for the arm, I'm going to make a line that's going to come out and then down. And then I'm going to make this line come out and then down. I'm going to curve this line around here. And then we'll curve this line around here. Make a little line and a little line. And I'll curve this in and curve this in. Next, I'm going to bring this up and then in, and then same thing here, up and then in. Next, I'm going to bring this line down, and I'll bring this line down for the body. I'm going to make this line curve out and then down. Then I'm going to make a line here, and then one here for the foot. Then I'm going to curve this back around here, and then over to here. Next, starting here, I'm going to curve this line down, and bring this line down. I'm going to make 1, 2, 3, and then 4 little curves for the foot. Bring this up, and then kind of curve it to here. Then we just kind of connect it. Next, I'm going to make kind of like a pointed line that kind of comes down and then up, and then goes across. Then for the tail, it's going to look like a banana. So I'm going to make a line that's just going to curve out and down. Then I'm going to put a little square on it and a line that comes across. And there you go. There is your drawing of the chimpanzini surprise fold. We have it all folded up. We've got him just sitting there in the banana. And then when you open it up, he's doing his dance. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoy.